again. I'm Danny of Malika's Creations. I want to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, I want to say thank you for returning. I really appreciate you. So I have a series that I'm doing with 10 so simple 10 spa baskets or baskets for any occasion. So here is my second one. The first one was simple, and this one is just going to be as simple as that. If we keep everything just simple, get to the point, get it packaged and get it out, the more revenue that we can bring in. So I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to jump right on into making this basket and show you what I got. I got this beautiful tin right here from the Goodwill. And so, since it's pink and black, we're going to go kind of stick with that theme. So we got this watermelon whipped scrub from Ross's. We got the famous old Dove lotion, you know, that everybody get from the Dollar Tree. And then we got this cute little tumbler that I wrapped, and I forgot where I got the tumbler at. But, yeah, it's going to go in this basket. I already got the basket stuffed, and I think we're just going to use, oh, and one more thing probably is going to be this pink candle. I'm not sure. But we're going to keep it simple and plain. I wish I had some pink lotion, but since I don't, we're going to roll with this right now. We're going to set the tumbler in there right there, and we're going to make a space for the tumbler. So the tumbler can sit down in the middle. Guys, if you separate the paper and make an opening little way to keep your tumbler level, and you don't have to use a bunch of tape. So we're going to set the tumbler down in there like that. And then we're going to bring the paper on around like that. Okay, I think I might have to remove some paper, but anyway, hold on, I think I might have to move some of this paper or rearrange it. We're going to rearrange it a little bit. Okay, we're going to set the tumbler down like that. Push the paper around like that. Add it like that, and then we're going to take the tissue paper. We're going to put a little slit in it and slide it over the tumbler to tuck it down on back up in there like that. Just simple and plain. Now we're going to add the whipped butter in here. I think I did take the price tags off this. Okay. We're going to add the whipped butter. To where it kind of sits like that. And we want the thing to be showing. So, I'm going to set it in there like that. I think that's pretty cute and neat right there. And then we're just going to slide the Dove right on in there like that. And we're going to hold it with some glue dot. And then we're going to have to find some shredded paper to finish off the gift. But, okay, we're going to put the dove, and hopefully it stays. I think that's good. We still got to add the straw and stuff into the cup, but I think that's cute so far. Just simple and plain and to the point. That way they got a container that they can use after they use the butter and the lotion. But I wish I had some different kind of lotion, but we're just using what we got. We're not going to be going out buying anything. We're going to try to find something. Oh, there goes some pink. Hold on, guys. Hold on. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join my channel. We got some little pink shred that we're going to be adding up in here to fill in the gap. I would love to have you. So drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment. I am all about support. If you support me, I will in turn support you. That's how it's supposed to be. And guys, if somebody come to your channel, go back and support them. It don't take much to go and watch a whole video. Do y'all know if y'all just watch half of somebody's video that you're doing them more harm than good, because they go on a click-through rate? And if you just clicking through it, not watching the whole video, you're doing that channel more harm than good. So watch their video all the way through. Give them a like and a comment so they'll know that you've been there, and they can visit you. But if you're not going to watch the video at all, just don't watch it, because people are wondering why they're not getting their videos out there. Is because YouTube has a CRT, a click-through rate, a CTR, and they watches that, and like if you just click on the video and don't watch it all the way through, then they're not going to push that video. So if you're not going to watch somebody's video all the way through, just don't do it, because you're doing more harm than good. And if you want to learn about stuff like that, you have to go to the YouTube studio, and it explains all of that and tell you like click-through rate and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's more harm than good if you just click on somebody's video, run it through and doing all of that. No, you're not doing them any favors. Just to comment that you watched their video or this and that. No, watch the whole video. Please, it don't take that much. Put it on your TV or put it on your phone. Continue to do what you're doing, and let the video play. But yeah, a lot of people don't know that. They think that if you click on the video and don't watch it all the way through, but it hurts the people more than it do. That's why I watch a whole video, I give a whole like, and I leave a comment to let people know that I've been there. That's what support is. It's like to help others build their channel. And I think if somebody is doing that for you, that you should do it back for them. Not like just because you like you. I don't know. I ain't gonna say that. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut. I try to support those that support me. And after a while, if I don't see others supporting me, I'll just move on, because everybody is not going to like everybody, and everybody ain't going to click like. So I don't worry about it. I just keep it moving and support those that support me. So, yeah, guys. This is my simple but elegant basket. I like this container right here because pink is my color. But I like this container. I don't know if I'm going to put any flowers in here or not. I doubt it. I doubt if I put any flowers in here, because it ain't much room left after I get the straw and stuff in here. So this is my tin container that I created. Simple, plain, and to the point. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to join in on me. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up so my video could get out there to others. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so I know that you've been here and I could come back to your channel and support you. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And this is just another simple and plain 10 relaxation gift. Straight and to the point. So, I'm going to get up out of here. And peace, guys.